What it do, YouTube, man? This your guy, man, Mr. Why Not, and I'm back up in here with another video, man. Yes, sir. Man, what we got going on today, man? Y'all see me in this thing, man. Right now we're on a little road trip, man. Finna head up here to Jackson, Tennessee. I got my gang back there with me, man. I'm finna go up to Jackson, Tennessee to a little car show real quick. You know, I got that MaskOffMafia shirt on, man. MaskOffMafia, man. Don't play with it. But like I said, finna go up here to a car show in Jackson, Tennessee real quick, man. You know, then go check it out. I got my gang back there with me, and we just riding, man. We riding deep, man. Finna go up here and you know, just get out the city, man. Get out of Memphis for a hot second, and yeah, go up here and just kick it. Later on, when we get up here, man, I'm gonna let y'all see what we got going on. I'm gonna record some of the cars. I wanted to get some of my team out because hey, I just need to get them out of the city for a minute. You know what I mean? And we just finna go up here and kick it for a while, but you know. And that's what we're about to do. I'm trying to see what's going on. Why he out the line? I gotta check out my team, man. Got me in line back there. But look, I'm finna let y'all see some of these cars real quick, man. And when I turn the camera, I'll turn the camera on back when we get up here. But I'm gonna let you see my team real quick, and yeah, give you some of this rolling footage, or you know what I mean. So I'll catch y'all back in a minute. team with me, man. And we looking out so good out here today. Yes, sir, man. We out here in Jackson, Tennessee, man, at the country. When I say the team out here, the team out here, for real, we looking good out here too. For real, looking good. Ooh, look at the team, man. Come on, let's walk. Y'all want to walk with me? Let's walk for a minute. Hey, we're gonna get a picture about this in a minute. What's up, man? Y'all walk? I know you ain't walking. We back. I got the team out, man. Got the team out here. I just watched this party. Everything we're talking about. Right there. Y'all know we're gonna have to put some music on this so we won't get copyrighted. Y'all make sure y'all follow my guy.
All kind of studs, all kind of fries.
like you got rock lights up in there. So I see the light coming down. Big roots. So man, you chillin', man. Got that cat right there, y'all. Big hair cat right there, I like that. Ooh. Got the blue inside. Follow my guy. Yeah, flying right there. YouTube, Instagram, TikTok, whatever. Yeah, the inside hard. What you want to eat? Come on, let's go get you some. What you see? Let's see, what you want? What's going on, man? Yes, sir, man. I see you on switch it up, man. I see you.
Yeah, I mean, ain't nobody cleaning in this wild bite right here.
No, man. I see you. Y'all good? Mm-hmm. Yes, sir. I like that car that going across the hood. Thing hard. I like how that look right there. Then got the green on that. I like how that. See, I like the black on black. I like the black on black. Got the sunroof. I like that, man. Good, right there, man. Yeah, I like that.
I like that color.
I like them RTs rim hard. Them RTs rim hard as hell. I like that.
I don't know nothing about it. They got records.
What's going on?
There might be sensor right there, man. But yeah, I see what's going on.
Like this?
Right here watching his ass. Yep, I'm his girlfriend.
They're waiting.
Hey, she watching them too.
I think that she's short down. I see him.
She watching. Do it again. Put it out on camera. That's my thumbnail.
Time I ride by, I know you wonder why I'm so cool. Don't ask me, just do what you want. Meet me in the trail, it's going down. Meet me in the mall, it's going down. Meet me in the club, it's going down. Anywhere you meet me, guaranteed to go down. Meet me in the trail, it's going down. Meet me in the mall, it's going down. It's going down.
Meet me at Cosmic Cancer 2023.
I decided I had to finish, but the media called me a menace. I decided with the man politician.
It's a video, come on.
You can't blame my pants no more. I
Hey, man, say, man, let me get the trophy, man. We all the way from Memphis, man. You know what's going on, man. Best car club in the whole motherfucking state, man. What you talking about, man?
Stop playing with it.
Understand me. Understand me.
Hey, we got. I'll take a picture though. Yeah, right there. They get in front of the red car. You want to pick by yourself? We're finna take you right here, in front of the red car. Waiting on Boogie, Boogie, Boogie.
I got you.
Oh, for sure, my guy. Y'all know what it is, man. #1 car club, man. Best car club out here today, man. You know how we get down, man. MaskOffMafia more definitely in the building. Came all the way down here to Jackson, Tennessee. You know, taking over things. Y'all see how we get down, man. Stop playing with it. MaskOffMafia, stop playing. Damn, like I... MaskOffMafia.
shit. Girl, look at Boogie, bitch, he thuggin' on that G shit. She did drink up in that water, drink on top of CC. She said Boogie real, no I'm solid, how he see me. Pull up on me, that hoe like we super, we do defense. Get back on that E-way, hop out walking, we delete shit. Bitch, I keep my banger, don't do features, fuck a remix. Case cold, still don't drink cold. Can't be pushing low, don't do starting home. Yeah, every brother really got a right one. Yeah, AR-15 coppers, bitch, we ain't those. Juice.
I took a lot. I took probably about 20 pictures.
Got the red pedal shifts already. Got them six pistons right there, boy. Woo, that's what I want.
Time I got Mr. Y 392.
That way, man. Mr. Y 392, man. Y'all make sure y'all follow me on YouTube and Instagram, man.
I'm gonna put the link in the description.
I like that though. I want some of them six pistons. Hard, I like it. They put the red snorkel lights right there in the front. He got the sunroof. I got the sunroof. This junk fully loaded.
And somewhat, it ain't come fully loaded.
Huh? It is?
Nah, only thing it came with was like the camera in the front and the rims. Cause you don't see these on skate. You see them on Daytona.
Right. That's what I'm thinking.
Yeah, I got it out of Landers in South Haven.
Hey, Boogie. You on that six piston brake on the sky? This is 23? Yeah. Oh, my bad. my bad.
What this say right here?
This is a last call. Okay. Okay, yeah, big salute. Hey, this is the last call. My bad. I meant to look at it. My bad. This my guy got the last call right here, man. Stop playing with it. I'm looking a little different now.
That boy standing the proof.
Oh, yeah. Yes, sir.
That boy standing the proof.
Okay, y'all see it, man. Stop playing with it. Last call. That's what's up, man.
Oh, yeah.
How long you had it?
About a few weeks now.
About 3 weeks. Okay.
Got it at the dealership in Landers in South Haven.
Man.
55K, no miles.
No miles. 0 miles.
0 miles.
Yes, sir. You heard what he said.
Ain't a mile on it.
That's what's up, man. Man, did you shout your channel out? Go ahead.
Yeah. Follow me on YouTube, Shadow 392. More content coming soon.
That's what's up, man. Y'all go give my guy some subscribe to my guy's channel, man. See what he got coming for this, man. Ooh. Man, them the rims I like right there. That's what I had on my Daytona. Yeah, I like them. I was trying to find them. I was trying to find some.
Yeah, y'all follow me, Shadow 392.
Oh, okay. Y'all see it right there. Man, y'all make sure y'all go subscribe to my guy's channel. That's what's up, man. You put the diffuse on there?
I put it on it myself.
And you just got the tips from Boogie?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, yeah. You.
Be live at 5-inch tips.
That's what's up, man. That's what's up. You already got you got me and Muppet delete or anything?
I got me and Muppet delete right now. I'll let you hear it on the camera. not yet, but
Oh no, it ain't like boogie.
still ain't gonna be like that. Yeah. You got some more shit. You gotta do more shit to it.
What the fuck trade on? Well, I got landing up in here, man. Yeah. That was fine. Hey, look, my guy Trey here in the airport, right? So he just landed the airplane. So that's what he do. Hey, the military taught him something. Well, that's what he do. He fly airplane too, so he landing them in. That's what's up. I don't know what the helicopter is. Oh my daughter. How you feel? See all your good work. You see your good work. That's her work, y'all. She did that. How you feel?
It's so rewarding.
Oh. Why not?
No traction train.
No traction Trey.
In the Ford Mustang, Brownville, Tennessee.
Yes, sir. Let's go get that.
Yes, sir. We went out.
You know what it is. Don't play with it.
Same time.
E-Money.
E-Money.
Dodge Charger from Memphis, Tennessee.
E-Money.
All right now, Robert. Come on now.
Y'all know what it is. Appreciate it. Thank you. Wait on E-Money. Come on, money.
Traction train. What a name, Traction train. I can shake the love.
I blame them.
Thank you. Thank you so much. They go E-Money. E-Money.
Who gave you his name? Okay, you got that money, didn't you? Oh, I'm talking about you got that money, Mike. Got that bread. Yeah, that's what I'm talking about.
Thank you, Shay.
That's what I'm talking about.
Yeah. Stop playing. See how where all your good hard work. Look
I
at
just want to
it.
give a big shout out to my daddy because you know he's so good, you know. Shout out.
I already called you Keon Walker.
I'm her daddy. Hey man, y'all see what it is, man. MaskOffMafia, man. Oh my truck. Y'all see what it is, man. Everybody take one home.
Getting that Sean Brown broom.
Everybody take one home, man. You know. Y'all see it, man. We in here. Everybody take one home.
I already knew it.
You put your car in?
I was wiping her car when y'all walked up there. I ain't put my car in. I ain't know what y'all was doing.
You know, sometimes he will next time, you know.
Y'all see it. Next time he'll learn. What's up, y'all? That game, man. It been real, man. Everybody in the club, everybody in the team took one home, man. You know what I mean? So that's what's going on that way. But man, we finna get ready to get up out of here. We finna get ready to get back on that road, head back to Memphis, Tennessee. That like button for your guy, man. You know, and that's Bobby Cola right there. You know what it is. So we finna get ready to get up out of here, man. Other than that, I'ma holler at y'all. Thank y'all for watching my video. I really appreciate y'all. If you're subscribed to my channel, go ahead and subscribe to your guy channel, man. Until next time, I'll get up with y'all later. Peace.
Come on, man. Come on, man.